Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 23rd of January, 2025, our system has identified Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.11. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has faced a decline of negative 1.41%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.70% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically represents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend threshold of $402.31 be breached, it would initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase, but could also serve as an early indicator of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 47.44% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 45.89% to 99.71%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of around 88.62% over the next year, with potential returns between 26.28% and 133.13%. This corresponds to a price range from $513.44 to $947.88 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for Tesla stock after losing 1.41%. The Tesla stock price fell by 1.41% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, dropping from $412.38 to $406.58. It has now experienced a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.01%, with a low of $405.78 and a high of $418.01. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 2.95% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, 56 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $22.66 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $488.54, while the lowest was $138.80. Currently, the price is 16.78%, or $81.96, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is at a crucial juncture as it approaches its fourth-quarter earnings report, with many analysts closely monitoring the stock's performance. Over the past 6 months, TSLA has surpassed its peers in the Magnificent Seven, demonstrating resilience despite a challenging start in early 2024. However, the company faces several obstacles. Tesla is set to introduce an updated Model Y, with deliveries commencing in March, which could help reverse its first annual sales decline in over a decade. Conversely, there are signs that Tesla's sales in Europe are experiencing a sharp decline, with a 13% drop last year highlighting the difficulties Elon Musk encounters in expanding within that market. Furthermore, the stock has exhibited volatility, having surged nearly 99% over the past year, but recently falling over 10%. Investors might also consider the Tesla Yield Shares Purpose Exchange Traded Fund, which offers a 12% yield as a potential safeguard against stock volatility. This indicates a cautious yet optimistic outlook for long-term investors, supported by robust cash flows and liquidity. In the short term, the earnings report scheduled for January 29th will be pivotal. Should Tesla fail to meet expectations amidst its pricing and sales challenges, we could witness a significant price decline, with projections suggesting a potential drop of up to 24%. Overall, while Tesla's long-term growth potential endures, its current trajectory is laden with challenges that could greatly impact stock performance both in the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 11th of December, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned Tesla a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio a strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term development. Currently, Tesla stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $418.10 and $413.98. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 15.27%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, trading volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 25 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 32 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 63 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 151 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock identifies support just below today's level, stemming from accumulated volume at $350 and $328.49. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, for Tesla, that support lies just below today's mark at $350. Should this level be broken, the subsequent support, based on accumulated volume, will be at $328.49 and $321.22. The stock experiences average daily movements and, with a solid trading volume, is considered to carry a medium level of risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $12.23 between its high and low points, which represents a movement of 3.01%. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 4.09%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 75 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $421.06. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $350. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 15,200 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 46.626. Overall, insiders purchased 462,421 shares and sold 1,304,122 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Currently, Tesla stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend in the past, we anticipate that Tesla will struggle in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock remains negative. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading session, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 27th of January, we expect Tesla to open with an increase of $3.54, starting at $410.12. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.